Be sure to check with your therapist to identify techniques that address your specific needs. First, grab the collar of your shirt to locate the front and back side. Hold it in front of you so you are looking into the shirt. You should be able to see the tag from this view. From this position, thread your affected arm through the sleeve on the opposite side. Find the collar and slide your hand down until you reach the end of it. Keep your grasp on the collar and pull the shirt around your back. Thread your arm through the sleeve. Then fasten the buttons. If you are having trouble handling the buttons on your shirt, you can try using a button hook. A button hook can be used by threading the hook through the buttonhole. You can also slide your hand down to adjust the clothing using your thumb. Hook the button, then raise and turn the button to pull it through the buttonhole.